This could be
getting a start beam. Score third from spinners Kushal. Natural game being aggressive and
big shot down the ground. Mid-off is up in the circle. Mala, I think he might need to learn how to count because he's not counting. To this side. Mala. My, oh my. Slower ball. High. Handsome. 6. Out of the ground. Kushal Mala. Oh. Down the ground. Wasn't the full length that Mala wanted. Mala. 4 more.
What a strike, straight towards the side screen, 1 bounce over the rope, 4 runs. And 50 for Kushal Malla in 30 balls. What a knock he's played here for Nepal.
Malla living up to his name.
Mid wicket. Pulled that nicely. And his out. Yes, straight to square.
Goes against Jatinder. And he top edges that. Fielder running under it. Drops safely in between. Used to run from long on. That has a big hit. Gone all the way for a 6. And took.
Bit flatter through the air and cleaned him up. Off stump.
Dipendra goes for 7.
Cut up into. Oh, cut away. Kushal Mala is looking in the world about it again. Tossed up. Has he got enough of it? Of course he has. Into the 90s. He's won. Hit away. How far has this gone? It's gone all the way. Kushal Mala. You beauty! 100 from 59 deliveries! He was the youngest ever to make a one-day international 50. Latest ever innings, and this is the moment all the way for 6. I knew he'd get there with a maximum, Sharad. It had to be the way. Well, well, well. He's still ice cool. He's still too cool for school. It's Kushal Mala. Look at him. I think he's and that is another one. It's even more amazing. Mala, has he got enough of it? He hasn't. He's got to 100 as out-thought him. But it's a handshake, and that's a brilliant moment from Prajapati. Secondly, it's ever 100.
See the whole dugout standing up, tried to hit it over the long off region, but just disputed. What a beautiful innings comes to an end. Kushal Malla is out for 108.
Going to be runs. 4 of them.
And comes in for his 3rd over.
Later. Machani down the ground. And out. Not enough power. Guided away, and guided away for 4. The 3rd fielder is up in the circle. Well, Mala's going to get the headlines, but Kami's innings.
That's a massive. What a way to bring
the peaks. They get to 300 for the first time. High fives all around in the dugout because Kami and Karen KC, 2 of Nepal's. We might have watched that first innings together on the television. Let's come down to